You're about to discover the best whey protein powders of 2023. Whey protein is not just a supplement, it's a magic bullet. It can ignite your performance, sculpt your muscles, blast your fat, and electrify your health. It can even make you happier and smarter. But not all whey protein powders are created equal. Some are loaded with fillers, artificial flavors, and hidden sugars. Some are overpriced or underdosed. That's why we have done the hard work for you and ranked the top 5 whey protein powders based on their purity, taste, value, and customer satisfaction. Watch this video to find out which one is the best fit for your goals and preferences. And if you want to get your hands on any of these protein powders, we have the links in the description below where you can snag the best deals and also support our channel. And don't forget to smash that like and subscribe button for more awesome videos like this. Don't wait any longer to transform your body and mind. Do you want to try one of the most trusted and best-selling whey protein powders in the world? If yes, then you should check out Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard Whey Protein. It has 24 grams of high-quality protein per serving, with only 1 gram of fat and 3 grams of carbs. It also has 5.5 grams of branched-chain amino acids, BCAAs, which are essential for muscle growth and recovery. Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard Whey Protein is made with whey protein isolate, which is the purest form of whey protein that has almost no lactose or fat. It also has whey protein concentrate, which has more bioactive components and immune-boosting properties. It comes in over 20 delicious flavors, such as chocolate, vanilla, strawberry, cookies and cream, and more. You can mix it with water, milk, or your favorite beverage, and enjoy it before or after your workout, or anytime you need a protein boost. It dissolves easily and has a smooth and creamy texture. It is also affordable and widely available online and in stores. The latest price of Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard Whey Protein on Amazon is about $83 for a 5-pound tub of double rich chocolate flavor. Are you looking for a pure and fast-digesting whey protein powder that can help you recover faster from your workouts? If yes, then you should try Dymatize ISO 100 Hydrolyzed Whey Protein. It has 25 grams of protein per serving, with 0 fat and only 2 grams of carbs. It also has 5.5 grams of BCAAs and 2.7 grams of leucine, which is the most important amino acid for muscle growth. Dymatize ISO 100 Hydrolyzed Whey Protein is made with hydrolyzed whey protein isolate, which means that it has been broken down into smaller peptides that are easier to absorb and use by your muscles. This makes it ideal for post-workout recovery, as it can deliver amino acids to your muscles faster than regular whey protein. It comes in 12 mouth-watering flavors, such as gourmet chocolate, birthday cake, fudge brownie, peanut butter, and more. It mixes well with water or milk, and has a light and refreshing taste. It is also gluten-free and lactose-free, making it suitable for people with allergies or sensitivities. The latest price of Dymatize ISO 100 Hydrolyzed Whey Protein on Amazon is around $92 for a 5-pound tub of rich chocolate flavor. Do you prefer a plant-based alternative to whey protein powder that is organic and vegan-friendly? If yes, then you should give Orgain Organic Protein Powder a try. It has 21 grams of organic plant-based protein per serving, with only 3 grams of net carbs and no added sugar. It also has 5 grams of organic fiber, which can help you feel fuller and support your digestion. Orgain Organic Protein Powder is made with a blend of organic pea protein, organic brown rice protein, organic chia seed protein, and organic hemp protein. These are all complete proteins that contain all the essential amino acids your body needs. They are also vegan-friendly and non-GMO. It comes in 6 natural flavors, such as vanilla bean, chocolate fudge, peanut butter, and more. It blends well with water or plant-based milk, and has a smooth and creamy texture. It is also soy-free and dairy-free, making it ideal for people who avoid animal products or have allergies. The latest price of Orgain Organic protein powder on Amazon is around $26 for a 2-pound tub of vanilla bean flavor. Do you want a simple and effective whey protein powder that delivers what you need without any unnecessary extras? If yes, then you should consider Myprotein Impact Whey Protein. It has 21 grams of protein per serving, with only 1.9 grams of fat and 1 gram of carbs. It also has 4.5 grams of BCAAs and 3.6 grams of glutamine, which are important for muscle repair and recovery. Myprotein Impact Whey Protein is made with whey protein concentrate from grass-fed cows. It has a high biological value, meaning that it is easily absorbed and utilized by your body. It comes in over 40 amazing flavors, such as salted caramel, mocha, blueberry cheesecake, and more. You can mix it with water or milk in a shaker bottle or blender, and enjoy it before or after your workout, or anytime you need a protein snack. It dissolves quickly and has a rich and satisfying taste. It is also low in sugar and high in quality. The latest price of Myprotein Impact Whey Protein on Amazon is about $44 for a 2.2-pound tub of chocolate smooth flavor. Do you want a premium whey protein powder that offers a high level of purity and quality? If yes, then you should check out XWerks Grow Whey Protein Isolate. It has over 25 grams of protein per serving, with 0 to 2 grams of fat and carbs, depending on the flavor. It also has 6 grams of BCAAs and 4.9 grams of glutamine, which are essential for muscle growth and recovery. XWerks Grow Whey Protein Isolate is made with 100% New Zealand grass-fed whey protein isolate, which is the purest and most concentrated form of whey protein that has almost no lactose or fat. It also has added digestive enzymes, which can help you digest and absorb the protein better. It comes in 4 delicious flavors, such as chocolate, vanilla, peanut butter, and strawberry. It mixes easily with water or milk, and has a smooth and silky texture. It is also gluten-free and low in sodium, making it suitable for people who follow a healthy diet. The latest price of XWerks Grow Whey Protein Isolate on Amazon is around $59 for a 2-pound tub of chocolate flavor. That was an epic video, right? We just revealed to you the best protein powders on the planet right now. We hope you loved it as much as we did. If you did, show us some support by smashing that like button and sharing your thoughts in the comments section. And if you want to grab any of these awesome protein powders, make sure you check out our links in the description. You'll get the best deals and also help us keep making amazing content for you. Trust us, these are the protein powders you've been looking for. And if you're new here, welcome to the 5-star family. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss an upload. We have tons of awesome videos coming your way soon. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. This is 5-star, the ultimate protein channel.